We are just finishing up Common at Disneyland, and it's been, I think, one of the best Commons I've been to in many, many years. There were more sessions than there typically are. The sessions were all really, really good, given by a lot of very, very skilled, passionate IBMI people. The venue is amazing. We're in Disneyland. The park is right next door. We got to take advantage of downtown Disney and all of the wonderful restaurants there. It's just been a really, really good time.
It's really fun to walk by the pool every day and think about jumping in. But more importantly, and more on point, is how crowded it was. There were so many attendees. It was great. Just so many sessions were completely full. Aaron had a couple that were standing room only. And I think I heard that there were 1,200 people at this event. The conversations that happened and the amount of exciting opportunities that came from this, really, really remarkable.
And there was a real focus on AI, and the IBMI people are very excited about adopting the new technology. You know, this whole idea that the IBMI world is not ready for new things, well, I think that was put to bed here. So people spent a lot of time in these new technology sessions. We learned a lot about the things that IBM is doing for AI, and there's a lot of exciting new technology coming out on the platform. There was a lot of stuff about using open source tools and open development tools so that you could be more productive and take advantage of all the new technology that's being made available. There was a lot of talk about different languages on the IBMI, so you're obviously not limited to RPG, but you can work in JavaScript and Java and Python and PHP and all kinds of other languages. So it was really a forward-thinking, forward-looking conference where there was just so much for everybody to learn.